Right now what we're debugging is this specific board is improperly reading our temperature sensors. We know our temperature sensors are at the right voltage, but the output it's getting into our code is wrong. So we're trying to figure out why. Minion 3, sensor 16. Is it hooked? It blue screens, restarted, and now it's updating. Now it's restarting again. That's cool. I blame Windows if this car doesn't work. I'd say we're on schedule. On the electrical side, we're making really good progress. I think we definitely can get the electrical system done by the time we get to comp. Since getting the electrical system ready to spin the motor is sort of the biggest hurdle, I think, in terms of this car's electrical system.
We actually have a battery before the summer, and it's been tested, it's been verified, and it's good to go in the car, which is a huge improvement from the past years of this team, where the battery wasn't really tested until we got to comp last year, but now we know that it works like 100%. Yeah, we just moved the battery and we brought the dashboard back so we could actually control the stuff on the car. Got everything hooked back up so we can use the pedal now to drive the motor.
Sort of made a huge push to prioritize harnessing for this year, because last summer our competition, we spent a lot of time at competition doing final harnessing. This year we have all this new Eplan stuff. We had our wire harness pretty much fully planned and fully starting development like a month or two ago.
Everything's panel mounted. We don't have random wires just like crossing in through like holes in the walls of all of our enclosures. We have it all well documented, especially with Eplan. We have the 3D models of everything too, so we can just be like, okay, let's follow this wire. This is how it's supposed to be routed. The quality of the harnesses are way better. The documentation is way better. It's not even comparable between how the harnessing went last year and this year.
So school's been out for about a month now. I think we got out beginning of May. So I have my internship in Houston. I'll leave there Friday, come here Friday and Saturday, and go back. Just depends on how much we need to get done. I think we're in a good place right now. Our team's primary hope is we pass scrutineering and our car moves, because that's all we have control over.
Last summer, we were in a way worse position in terms of mechanical and electrical integration, just getting things together. So we're a lot further ahead than we were last year, and last year we got the car driving at comp. So I'm pretty confident in our ability to get the car driving a while before comp.
So we're combining all of the mechanical and electrical aspects of the car. So mechanical has been working independently, electrical has been working independently, and now we have to combine it all together to make something that both moves and communicates with all of the parts of the car. That's going to be the first time that we really put it all together.
Like, we could actually run dynamics. Imagine that, running dynamics before you leave for comp. The goal tonight is just to prove that, yes, this car can drive. We've known and we've believed that it can drive. But the whole year, because of various small issues that added up, the car has been unable to drive since early in the first semester. Now that all those things are on the car and installed, the car, is back up to running state. And so we have a whole week, which is not a whole lot of time, but God willing, we get to comp and we're ready to destroy scrutineering.
Right. We're good! Let's go!
We just sent it in our Slack channel. One of our old captains said this might be like one of the first times in history this car has ran before comp, so yeah, feels good.
So yeah, we're about to leave for a comp today, so we're packing all of our stuff. We already got all of our boxes of components into the trailer. Now we're trying to get the car into the trailer. Our trailer's really old, so it's kind of falling apart. So it's a very big struggle to get the car in.
Top of frame, not bottom of frame. If you want climbing, of course you want to have increased height. Yeah.
Right after this, we're gonna spend 13 hours driving directly to Bowling Green and unpack for comp once we get there at the track.
Hours to get there. Now we'll get there at like 3, so everyone should be able to sleep some. So huge one on that. Thank you guys to everyone who like logged in last week and last night.
And the entire summer.
Yeah, honestly, the whole summer. Your word summer through. The hotel was the same as last year. I'll send the address.
This is from our Abby, our composite sleep. His mom actually made the cake last night. I think she made like 2 cakes total or something. Definitely enough for like the 30 of us, for sure. Shout out to Abby's mom. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, we're finally good to go. Everything's packed up. Our vans are ready to go. Our trailer is filled with our car and all the stuff that we need for scrutineering and our racing.